Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to do something that is called practical. So I'm going to show you, for example, I want to know where price is going to go to in the next month. I want you to understand something, that this candle closes after a month. So now we are going to do a back testing, or we are going to do practical. So if you want to know where price is going to go to the entire month or the entire week or the entire day, I'll make other videos that I'll be showing you how you can know monthly, weekly, and daily, depending on the type of a trader and how strong your psychology is. So in this video, for example, right, let me give you for example, this candle closed here, right? This candle closed here is the November. You can see this candle closed exactly here. This candle closed. So when you find a candle that has just closed on a monthly time frame, let's assume every candle on a monthly time frame, it closes on the last day of the month. So let's assume this is the last day of the month and you want to make money. You want to know where the direction is going to go to the entire month. What do you do? Okay, come on, this is what you do. You are going to come here. Then when you come here, you are going to put a line here. Okay, it's just not a line, just hold on, I'm going to take you there. You are going to come here, you are going to put another line, so which means you are going to have two lines. Okay, then you're going to come here, you are going to put on the week, then you're going to put also on the closing of this candle. So what you are going to do now, you can see here on the line we have got these numbers. These numbers are called golden super entry numbers, or whatsoever that you can call them, but I call them the golden super entry numbers. Okay, golden super entry numbers, these numbers. Okay, so these are the numbers that are going to give you a nice entry as well. Okay, so what you do now, you are going to switch your chart to 1 hour. Okay, you're going to switch your chart to 1 hour. When you switch your chart to 1 hour like this, remember I taught you about order blocks, right? Then after that, when the chart is like this now, when the chart is like this, what you are going to do here is that you are going to ask yourself, where is my order block also here? Then you can see that your order block is where it is here. Since your order block it is here, you are going to draw it like this. So let me just make this thing visible for everyone. Okay, so you're going to draw your order block like this. When you draw your order block like that, you can even trade on H4 if you want. It's up to you. You can even trade on H4 if you want. So which means you are going to wait for your order block like that, H1, H4, or even anything like that. Then after that, now you realize that, okay, the entire month price looks like price is going to buy the entire month. What you are going to do, you're going to come here, you're going to go, you are saying that you're going to go in for long. Okay, you're going to go in long, so which means the entire month. Okay, so having something like this, when you're having something like this, then I want you to see something right here. I want you to see something right here. Okay, so price, you don't do anything. You are not chasing it. You are not chasing it. You wait for it to come. You are not chasing it. You don't have to chase it. It has to come on this entry right here, on this golden number. So your entry is going to be on the golden number. You get the golden number is the one that you're going to put on your entries. Okay, so I just want you to see something. See something. Patience is everything. Okay, boom, you're connected. When you're connected, when price breaks here, you can add more. Okay, you can add more buys. Then you can see you are holding this trade. You are holding this trade and holding this trade, holding this trade. You are not doing anything. You are just holding this trade. So what you need now to exercise, it is patience, and you need to trust the strategy, because the person that gives you a strategy, I've been doing these things for quite some time. All what you need to do is to have patience and wait for your TP. So your TP, you're going to get your golden number where you ended up putting your institution numbers. Remember, golden numbers are important. So you are holding, you are holding, you are holding, you are holding and holding. You can see there was no any drawdown down. You have been holding for the entire month while other mentors are saying sell. You know where the market is going to go to the entire month. You are holding. Trust the strategy. Even if price comes back like that, keep on holding. You know where you are going. It's a golden strategy. It is institution numbers. This is a killer strategy. So you can see you have been holding for the entire month. It's an entire month of you holding. Price is still going until it reaches here. It has to reach to our TP, because that's where the golden TP number is, right here. Okay, so you keep on holding. You are just holding this thing. It doesn't matter how long it's going to take you, but you keep on holding, holding, holding. You are holding, you are holding, just holding it like this. You can see right near, this is just amazing. You can see that there was no any drawdown at this particular time. So this is how you know, or how you can get the direction for the entire month. Is this not just amazing? This is just super amazing. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you now how you can know where price is going to go to in the entire week. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
Thank you for